B6. Smart Bulk Brewer Operation Video. Water and electricity connection. Connect the water inlet pipe. Connect the water outlet pipe. Use an independent power switch, single phase, 220 to 240 volts. Ampere must be above 25 amps. Connect the wires. The green line is the ground line. Make sure to connect it to prevent electricity leakage. Turn on procedure. Turn on the water supply. The recommended water inflow pressure is 2 to 3 bar. Switch on the non-fused power. Turn the power switch from 0 to 1. The touch panel will show the startup screen, meaning the water has started to fill the boiler. When the screen shows 100%, it means the water inflow process is complete. Then turn the switch to 2 to start the heating process. It may take up to 20 minutes until the boiler temperature reaches the required temperature. Please be patient. Choose from one of the 3 brewing modes. Setting 1. Set the temperature, infusion time, and water volume in multi-sections. The tea discharges at a time after the whole brewing process is complete. Section 2. Set the temperature, infusion time, and water volume in multi-sections. The tea discharges after each brewing section is complete. Setting 3. Set the temperature, infusion time, and water volume in multi-section. The tea sits infused for extra 6 minutes after the brewing process is complete, then discharges at a time. After selecting the brewing mode, press the check mark on the upper right corner to confirm. Press the Klub mark on the lower right corner to return to the brewing mode selection. Parameter settings. Double-click on one of the beverage icons to start the parameter setting. A maximum of 8 different settings corresponding to 8 types of beverages can be set. Enter the password. Then press the check mark on the upper right corner to confirm. Enter the parameter. The first column is for water volume. The measurement unit is cc. If you want to set the water volume for 1500 cc, then enter 1500. The second column is for time setting. The measurement unit is second. If you want the infusion time to be 2 minutes, then enter 120. After the first brewing section parameter is set, you can continue to set the second section and so on, up to a total of 10 sections. After setting the water volume and infusion time, set the temperature on the top. Then press the check mark on the upper right corner to confirm. After finishing the first parameter setting, you may perform the settings for other beverages. Double-click the selected beverage icon to start the setting. Note: the volume of the brewing bucket is 3000 cc. The total water volume of setting 1 and setting 3 is not to exceed 2500 cc. The water volume of setting 2 is not to exceed 2500 cc in each section and 12,000 cc in total. Brewing process. Press once on the selected beverage icon. The bucket lid will open automatically. Take out the filter container. Put in the tea leaves. Then place the filter container back in the bucket and press OK. The lid will close automatically and the brewing process will begin. Open or close the steam vent according to the tea kinds. When brewing black or oolong tea, you may close the steam vent during the brewing to enhance the aroma. When brewing green tea, please open the steam vent during the brewing to reduce the astringency. Before the water inflow, the system will automatically detect the boiler temperature. When it reaches the set temperature, plus or minus 1 degree Celsius, the water inflow automatically begins. Water will start to fill the brewing bucket, and the touchscreen panel will show the percentage of brewing done and the countdown to finish the brewing. Demonstration of setting 1. Multi-section brewing in one discharge. After the first water inflow, the steam tea blending procedure will begin. When the time counts down to 0, the first section of brewing is complete. Then the second section will start and so on. The tea discharges at a time after all the infusion sections are complete. Demonstration of setting 2. Multi-section brewing and discharge. After the first water inflow, the steam tea blending procedure will begin. When the time counts down to 0, the first section of brewing is complete, and the tea will discharge. Then the second brewing section will begin. The tea discharges after each brewing section until the whole brewing process is complete. Demonstration of setting 3. Multi-section brewing and prolonged infusion. Similar to the first brewing mode, but after the brewing process is complete, the tea sits infused for extra 6 minutes when there is no steam and water inflow, then discharges at a time. After the brewing is complete, the bucket lid will automatically open. Take out the filter container, press OK, and the brewing bucket lid will automatically close. Note: in case of emergency, press the red emergency button on the upper left. Then the brewing bucket lid will automatically open. Water inflow mode. Standard mode. Turn the water inflow mode switch to the horizontal position. The water will come out from the top center into the brewing bucket. Shower mode. Turn the water inflow mode switch straight. The water will disperse evenly around the brewing bucket. Note: when changing the water inflow mode, use a rag if needed, in case the temperature of the switch is too high. Cleaning procedure: quick cleaning. After each brewing process is complete, a quick cleaning is required to eliminate the leftover taste in the brewing bucket. Turn the water inflow mode switch straight to the shower mode. The water will disperse around the brewing bucket. Press the cleaning icon to start the cleaning process. Make sure to prepare a bucket in advance for the water outflow. After the cleaning is done, make sure to turn the switch back to the horizontal standard mode. Cleaning procedure: thorough cleaning. The thorough cleaning process is required daily before shutting down the machine to keep the brewing system clean. Turn the water inflow mode switch to the horizontal position. The water will come out from the top center into the brewing bucket, allowing the cleaning powder spreads evenly in the brewing bucket and filter container. The water will discharge after the cleaning process. Make sure to prepare in advance a bucket capacity of at least 5,000 cc for the water outflow. Press the thorough cleaning icon. The brewing bucket lid will open automatically. Take out the filter container. Put in 12 grams of cleaning powder. Then press OK. The lid will then close, and the cleaning process begins. After the cleaning, press the cleaning icon to clean again to eliminate the leftover cleaning powder in the brewing bucket. When doing the daily thorough cleaning, it is recommended to finish the entire cycle without stopping in the middle. The thorough cleaning takes around 7 minutes. During the cleaning, if the water volume exceeds 3000 cc, the excess water will discharge from the overflow tube. If you want to stop the cleaning process in the middle, simply press the return icon and the process will stop immediately. Then water will begin to discharge. Turn off procedure. To turn off the machine, turn the power switch from 2 to 1, then from 1 to 0.